Hi, this video is for week 4 of COM 111. The purpose is to help you with your first speaking prompt that is due this week. So when you log on to Blackboard, your screen should look something like what you can see here. You need to click on the Weekly Assignments tab that is on the left side of the page. Scroll down to week 4, which will be highlighted. And then the first thing you should do is to look at the outline for the week. Remember, these are provided each week of the class. This week you have a discussion to engage in for Chapter 3. You have a quiz for Chapter 3, and you have your first speaking prompt that is due. So hopefully you're feeling pretty comfortable with the discussion and the quizzes, but this prompt is a new component of our course. I have included the directions for the speaking prompt the last couple of weeks, but it is also included in this week's folder down toward the bottom of the page. In this handout, I have included the guidelines for writing and presenting your speech, so this is what I expect you to follow. And then it also includes the rubric that I will be using when I grade your speeches. Now, I know that we have not gone over these competencies. That will come later in the semester. I do like to get students started with public speaking as soon as possible in the semester, so that's why we're jumping right in with this first speaking prompt. Now, it might help you to know that at the beginning of the semester, I am here to be your coach. I am helping you to improve, and I do not expect you to be an expert with public speaking. So, as long as you try something, you practice your speech, you upload something to Blackboard, you will receive full credit. My expectation is that you take some time to read through my notes based on these competencies and make changes to the upcoming prompts based on the feedback that you receive. For example, if you read your entire speech during this first speaking prompt, you will probably still receive full credit, but I will make a note that you need to be using more eye contact when you are doing your speech. So for the second prompt, I hope to see you making more eye contact with the audience. Now, I know that can be a little bit awkward when you're talking to a camera, but I do want you to do your best with that. Basically, it means that you're not just staring down at your notes reading the entire time. And again, we will be going over each of these in more detail as we get closer to the final speech. This is just another way to help you learn the competencies during the semester. So for this prompt and for each prompt after, you will be given 2 choices of what you can talk about, and they come from different chapters in the text. It is my expectation that you use examples from your own life, if appropriate, and also from the textbook. If you would like to do other outside research, that is welcome as well. You do need to cite that within your speech. Once you have your speech figured out, you know what you want to say, you have practiced it a couple of times, you do need to go ahead and record your speech using your smartphone or your computer, however you would like to record it. And then you need to upload it to Google Docs and then provide that link with your Blackboard assignment. So you can upload the link to the Speaking Prompt 1 discussion forum. Remember that to do this, you will click Create Thread, give a subject, so this would be your name and probably Speaking Prompt 1, and then you would provide the link here, click Submit. So this is exactly the same steps that you took when you uploaded your introduction video. And if you need a reminder of how to do that, those directions are included in week 1. If you have any questions or concerns about this first speaking prompt, please don't hesitate to email me. You can also attend office hours on Tuesday. I hope you have a great week.